Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 24th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly or week 45's review of the front testing strategy for SPY. Now, on the 18th of November, we had a buy signal giving us a profit of 3,454.7 USD or 0.327% in profit. On the 19th, we had a sell signal giving us a loss of 10,062 or 0.955% dollars. On the 20th, we had a buy signal giving us a profit of 211.92 or 0.019%. On the 21st, we had a buy signal giving us a profit of 474.39 points or 0.044%. And on the 22nd, we had a sell signal giving us a loss of 3,250.45 USD or 0.312%. Now our cumulative P&L went from 5.423 to 4.544%, and our alpha went from minus 12.844 to minus 15.383%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.